Good morning. This is Mrs. Thompson. I just wanted to take a couple minutes and go over the next couple weeks because they get a little crazy. So, looking at the week of August 29th, you will see homeroom on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. These, this is not always going to be like this. It's just this week we kind of go over a few expectations more in depth and how to set a few things up and those kind of things. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of next week, orientation for everyone who is required. Everyone is required to attend these. Um, we have, if you were here last year, you will be familiar with math and reading tests. We changed from MAP to FastBridge. So FastBridge, same thing, where you're just going to assess your students in math and reading. That way we can kind of just get a better understanding of them as a learner. Okay, so this says 9 to 10:30. I don't think it takes I know it doesn't take an hour and a half. It's going to take roughly 30 minutes, give or take. This is a new assessment for us as well, so we are working on getting the little kinks out also. So please watch your Class Connect sessions for your students' time to come. Again, just know that they won't be there the entire time from 9 to 10:30, but we all have technical difficulties every now and again, so you never know what we might run into. Then, so math will be on Monday. Tuesday will be the reading assessment. Again, same times, 9 to 10:30. Wednesday, August 31st, there will be mind play, and we will help your students do the universal screener. You will see mind play in your on your plan, lessons to do. You do not, please do not do anything with mind play until after we assess them and do the universal screener to see where they are. Okay, so do not worry about mind play or stride. That is on your plan. That is not something that Mrs. Donham and I take care of. That is something that the computer system itself, stride, takes care of. So please leave it alone. Do not touch it. Okay. Then Thursday, August 1st, this is going to be another whole group fun session. This is going to be optional, okay? Now, what you do see is the CBM reading. Again, if you were here last year, that's going to be similar to Ames. Your student is going to come to us. They're going to read 3 stories and do one other little thing for a minute, and boom, they're out. Tops 10 minutes at the absolute most is what it'll take. We have it planned from 1 until 3 just to give everybody enough time. When you see your students' time, have them come in. You do not have to be there right at 1. You will not stay there until 3. It is not a 2-hour long Class Connect session. You just kind of come. The first person I see, I'm going to grab and start working with them. The rest of you will be in the waiting room or in a waiting room, just hanging out. And as soon as I'm done with one student, we'll grab the next student. So you will have to be patient. So you might want to have a book or some colors or something to do while you're waiting. The hardest part is when we need you, we need you. So it's really important not to leave during that time, okay? Or otherwise, we'll probably have to dismiss you from the class, but then just log right back in and we'll come and find you, okay? So just so you know, again, it is not going to be a 2-hour long or an hour and a half long session. It'll be a 10 minutes tops, but again, we're going to have about 8 kids, so it might take us a couple minutes to work through all of that, okay? Then the week of September 5th, there is no school Monday for Labor Day, as you see. There will be homeroom. Actually, Tuesday, the 6th is count day. We will go more into detail in one of the homeroom sessions on the week of August 29th on what count day is. This is going to look like a full day. This day, it would behoove all of you to make sure you can make it there. No, you won't be there from 8:30 to 12. We have some breaks built in during those Class Connect session times, but it just gives you, I guess, an excuse to be in there and to add some extra minutes to your count day. So please definitely come. That would be great. Wednesday, Mrs. Thompson's class has Leader in Me, and Mrs. Donham's class has the counselor that will come and teach about the same thing. Then our ELA and math are both going to be whole group all together, kind of some easier step into it type lessons. And then we do have time set up for any makeup testing sessions that perhaps we missed or got sick, or you know how that goes. But please, we really, really, really want all of our assessments done this week. That way we can have the weekend and the rest of this week to kind of finagle and get groups set up that will be ready to rock on September 12th. Anyway, that's it. Have a wonderful rest of your day and enjoy the weekend. Thank you.